Hillary Odia, there with us. Hillary, happy New Year.
Happy New Year, yes.
I greet you and happy New Year 2019 advance.
That one get as e be o.
I be.
Wey we just dey the fifth day. From the fifth day, you don dey tell us how many days remain for 2018 to take finish.
11 months with 26 days.
Yes, wetin that one mean be say wetin you need to do quick. Because that time wey you feel say dey, e no too dey like that. As he talk am, when day break you see today, na be say you get the opportunity to take correct the mistake wey you make yesterday. And those mistakes wey you make for 2017, 2018 just enter now, na the fifth day we dey. And it still dey very fresh for you to quickly to dey set agenda for yourself. Make we not behave like government at some level. As human being, if we fit to get am right individually, every tendency they say government go fit get am right. Una good morning.
That's na new start enter this year.
Na so it be, you know.
Every year new start.
Exactly. When
this one say just come with new tendency and the rest. How come our tendency don't enter the
yes, that's so it be
the year.
Because when man dey serious for wetin they do, tendency they say you must get am right.
Okay, and you're very good for that tendency.
Exactly.
So that tendency be worse here.
And inside that one, now we go look for many issues where it be say as human being for life, wetin go make you not dey proactive.
Okay, on that one don't enter too.
Exactly, you not dey proactive.
From tendency to proactive.
To proactiveness,
okay.
You understand?
Okay.
The thing go don happen. Everybody will come begin open mouth dey look.
No more we really talk true about this whole thing. Most of us will not be proactive for the things when we say they do. They reactive.
Yes.
You know, the thing don't happen before we come they react to that. That's what they think and before say this thing will happen. It's just like the one we say concern fuel scarcity now.
Exactly.
When we say it persists, it still the thing now, still they linger on. Just imagine we go see talk and say by this time, so we no get fuel to the use at this period.
Yes.
You see they wonder me say why it go be at this period every time. Now this thing they happen. Now look at. When you talk about the proactiveness and the rest.
Yes.
My only two calculation no, because federal government, NNPC tell us say that they continue to supply fuel.
Exactly.
They no stop. But one thing you go know, you now, if you did for a side town here, you dey use 20 liter of fuel, 30 liter of fuel, 10 liter of fuel a day. You understand? Depending on your worker. But then you go decide say I want to go my village.
Exactly.
You don't understand? You go need more than that number of fuel you say you did need.
Used before, yes.
You know understand? If I come out and start the go and better. You know?
Yes.
I'm not going to say 10 liter of fuel that you use the bought for inside town now I won't buy. I go buy more than that.
Exactly.
You understand? So that I go buy more than that, I go pay for inside jerry because I say motor. Like case I go refill, they come back. You know, this is what I try to talk now be saying, whoever they give us fuel, supposed to know say this period from that kind November, you understand?
Yes.
To January ending.
Consumption of fuel
it go increase
by over 500%.
You know,
however
because
you want to come.
people they move now, whether we like or not, people now this time people they move
Yes.
from here to here. See, the shock I want come out from here now. They won't go Lagos, go do one special thing. Maybe one go interview what they call a whiskey. One go interview what they call a the video, the badge, or one go ask what they call a Mohis and the rest of them say how the one will do for this
trending right about
you know, they want to come back. Okay, to get trending right about now.
Right about now.
You know, when we go meet them now, it go need more fuel.
Yes.
You understand? This is motor. This is the journey where we say yes, it not be every day they do it, but they do it once in a week or so because I say they work out, they go and go to meet all these top stars then. So I can't ask myself now. Say we don't already know. Say yes, say this year, this period of the year, there is going to be lots of movements. The traffic is going to be heavy on our roads. People go need fuel more than that. So you can't tell me say yes, say you no go break fuel. You go increase the number, the liters of fuel. Me say they bring for that period. Number one. Number two, I just be surprised that they hear the petroleum minister of state. You know, he talk on the other time say what he did there be say people they hold this thing. You know, so because they hold them and everything, then make them less will not get fuel. They go, I said, man, how you go to say because they hold the fuel? Now waiting scarce now they hold. You know understand? If you come, you dey make us okay. It go there for hardy. Say you ask there. You go carry for everything, you say for full everywhere. You go there hide them.
It don't make sense in any way, my brother, because over time we get government. As I go always talk am, I go keep talking. We get government wey not dey responsible to im people.
No, I don't want to believe that.
No,
Maybe,
see, my brother Thomas.
Maybe the work when they do, they're too plenty.
It's too plenty.
Yeah.
Then see, you tell us say the work go too plenty when you want come into office. Now then, I the whole matter dey. Time don't reach. We will begin to tell ourselves the truth. Though it bitter, it is very bitter. And that government will go ready to collect the truth from the people. Now be that government will ready to be responsive to the people, to be responsible to the people. Now you as human being now, citizen of the Federal Republic, loyal one at that, now you fit to know, say from November ending towards January ending of the following year, purchase, usage of fuel, they always there on the high side. The reason be say, there a lot of movement, the people they will park their cars over time, because they're not there around. They must come back home to come do the festive, to come do the Christmas, enter New Year. Tendency, they say people must travel. They must move from one point to another. So as a government, you no need to be proactive.
So that be
to say at the end of this year, they go begin to use am more, make we supply. See, my brother, now fuel wey no dey, na it dem dey hold. Like people they talk before say now the marketers. Bololo here last week, he talk in story when he go visit the depot for Ogara. So you imagine as human being, as a businessman, you go say because say fuel not dey, the one you go tie your money down for 33,000 litre one truck or 66,000 litre two trucks. You go put money there, carry the fuel, put am for underground, lock your filling station, say you no go sell. Does it make sense? Then we get government will come out to talk, say now independent marketers. Now then they make fuel scarcity.
You never see the story.
On top
the story when I be they tell you they come. So before you help me reach a point, they say now the Dr. Ebe Kachikuko talk say now marketers they hold the thing.
Yes.
Just like you talk just now. The door and say scarcity is there and that the thing pass. Only about 3 days ago, come and see they don't get evidence to show. See now marketers they hold.
No evidence.
You understand?
Because they're very clear.
You understand? See they don't get evidence to show say or to arrest anybody. Say this is not gonna imagine. Say, so where if we get that conclusion?
That's two-side talk.
So why forget that first conclusion? Say yes, say this thing was like this. These are some of the areas that when we say yes, we look when we say we need to check. I say yes, say it for inside the Senate committee for
as of yesterday.
Exactly. It decide there. They speak all the grammar. They speak all the grammar. They speak all the grammar. Now I say yes, say whether we like them or not, Nigerians no want grammar. They want the thing. They want the fuel. And because the way this thing they go, don't be say person is prophet of doom or so that kind of thing. That the kind of thing when they say happen when we say they want to increase fuel. Now be this one soon. Because the man they explained yesterday, the landing cost, that, the way it is now, Nigeria they pay, the NFPC they pay about 26 naira. Take join the fuel. When
As waiting, call the name. And this now the subsidy. Where you talk say na illegal. No, when you they come into power.
No, be that one. If I talk say na illegal, they later encourage a point. The contract say the way it be now, they want to remove all the subsidy at once. That was why they took the price from 97 naira
to 145 naira.
And nobody talk, everybody understand. And don't see labor talk, nobody do anything. Everybody take them. Now you are telling me you are paying that 26 naira again for less than a year. Or thereabouts when we say increase that to 145. The other 26 naira won't come enter again. I can't imagine say how this thing they work. How they be. And funny enough, even the subsidy when we say they talk about the money we say they collect for the subsidy, nobody see for the economy.
Well, my brother Thomas, you see, NFPC don't turn to country of his own. They don't turn to highland where nobody they feel climb. Even when we have the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria as the Minister of Petroleum, he not fit talk for any. As I yesterday, they watched the Kachuku for Senate when they ask committee on petroleum when they come and say make it come talk the reason why we say this scarcity they linger until now. You not get one word where you see talk. As you talk and also grammar. Now you know say you want prevail on the NFPC to give Nigerians fuel. Meanwhile, before now, you did the side of the NFPC to talk say now the independent marketers now they make life they hard for human beings, citizens of this country. So where will they go? If you not talk now, person go come and say na hate speech. Hate speech, wetin be hate speech? They say na who do matter of narration, I say make dem narrate am. We no go fit continue to stay like this as country. Issues go happen for our country. We go expect our papa, wey be the president of the nation, to talk. We no go hear am talk until individuals as citizens don dey make comments, dey put for matter. In case he point na the one wey the killings wey happen now.
No, we go come to all those ones and the rest. Make we be like
people not dey happy for this country. We are just trying. Then one person go come out to come say Nigerians are impatient people. Na lie. Nigerians are the most patient citizens in the world, because if we look wetin we dey bear as Nigerians, if you happen for other clients, my brother, different story now you go hear.
You know what I want to make we say we take am easy, more no go lose track for what we be say the talk. So if you look about this fuel owner, I mean they really tell us now, because the other day some people don't want to talk to here. They tell us that they move from place to place, they close fuel filling stations. They want to say they sell above.
Wait till be their crime.
So they said no, wait first. Now when we say they sell above pump price, how come they ask myself now? People that want to say they don't see this fuel bad. They go up man, they source and come now and everything because me they don't say. That because they say like you say you want to close it. How come they want to say how many they don't close for this part of the world now? This part of the country. How many they don't even close now? And the question is how they ask. Now look at somebody say don't go come out. Take your own time, go buy the fuel cup, put am for us, maybe say we dey use. Maybe say me and you they see they use. They tell us say yes, with the amount when they sell, it's too much.
Then you know we consider the amount when they buy.
Akpololo talk and here say you remind us just now. He experienced.
Yes.
Why don't you go to that private depot if you feel say yes, say this is the waka they go make you go close up the depot. People they come and say, see, I've always been an advocate of something. People they waka they go. They say they boss illegal refineries. They bomb, put fire, and the question that I ask myself, I talk here, I say these people, the fuel they bring, they come. The fuel they pass test. You don't understand? If they pass test, because people they come, they buy them. They go, they sell.
Yes.
If they pass test, I know that, why not call these boys and ask them how to do it? Because from all educations, if they cheaper than what be say yes they do. You understand?
Exactly.
Is they cheap?
Exactly.
And so why not call them in the Western world? And they say criminals. If it's somebody they sell, what do they call them? This cocaine and for this thing for street. That person don't they catch the person though. They go they work on that person. They trace the person. They go because they want to know the source.
Exactly.
They won't know the source. At times, sometimes if they don't even catch the person safe and all that, they can't keep us. Start working with us.
Exactly.
You understand? You understand?
Yes.
Now they do take clear the whole thing. But you just say person that person does that, and the rest of the things still they work out, they go. If they increase because the people know say yes, say one this person don't come up for the girl, that's why they go recruit.
Exactly.
So what I try to talk to them say, those boys that were busy, they do this bunkering or illegal bunkering, what is they call it? They get their own refinery, they make fuel. Why not call them and ask them how until they do this? Don't be the bonbon. I don't look at some of the bonbon. When you look at it, before they do for them a pass test, yes, a pass test. How until they do it? They sit them down. So they go do it. They don't tell them modular refinery.
So they go revamp them.
Wait, till now, the modular refinery, I never see. Maybe you don't see.
I never see.
Okay, so they don't care. The modular refinery, it never come. The one single entity, if they build refinery now. You understand?
Yes.
That is Dangote, Aliko Dangote, the richest man in Africa. If they build, what do they call them? Refinery. Now, all refineries,
you know
they work.
Then when you don't commission your own now, all our own,
go
pack up. Because that is the structure of government.
You see, once the thing don't pack up now, you go start say one single man.
We go monopolize
the whole thing.
Fuel and diesel kerosene production in Nigeria.
Now I go to tell you say yes.
Just as it be for cement today.
Yes, that. I dey tell you just now. I tell you say, if by the time when we say this air when me and you they breathe so, we dey go they stand for queue, they buy the air when they breathe so.
Yes.
one person go tell you say, as I don't like your face, I don't go sell for you.
Hair.
I know if it's sell for
Sell
you,
for
go.
you,
And that's at the end of my story.
No, we not fit behind because people like us will they still dey bust the pipeline to collect air to breathe. And I will fit give you based on who you be.
No, you know, but no matter what, if you even boss her, you give me based on who I be. The guy people will be saying they're not based on who I be. Well, you don't still give.
That is the truth.
So that be the thing. So monopoly go day. What I try to tell you now be say, by the time this man don't come like this, the federal government no repair his refineries. They don't build any new ones.
Yes.
Nobody's even allowed to build. The man don't monopolize the whole thing. Yes. Now how he won't sell the thing now go sell her. And now how he won't give you now BC go give
exactly.
you. understand? Now who you like to give now BC go give. By the time BC in the shocker drive the motor enter they say, oh but I won't buy food.
So say, no, you.
Say, no. You get what you give me that day. I make you play that music for me that day. You don't replay the music for me. So no fuel for you.
No fuel.
See, you understand? So now people when BC because they get selective justice when BC we go to use. And at the end of the day, what we want to know get her. And they tell you, all our Nigerian refineries, all of them go pack up. Number one. Number two, even the depot one we get for Benin here. Like my brother talked the other day, Leo Ebagba talk, you can't become football feed. You cannot the happen there.
It already be football feed.
You understand? Like say they pump fuel from NNPC refinery when we say don't refine finish. Pump and come through the, what do they call them? Enter through the pipes, come reach depot here. You go start say depot go dey boom. What go dey for everybody to use?
Make I shock you if you never know before. You know say Benin depot na the only dispensing depot for Nigeria. Wetin e mean be say as e be depot so, e dey fit through underground feed other depots. As NNPC feed e go fit feed other depots. Na only this Benin depot. Wey dey depot.
Na for here now they give Mosimi, they give the rest.
You dey understand?
You see one thing when be say you say people fit dey look and say yes say we dey talk. The NNPC refinery for Warri, you understand? E get the capacity when be say you go fit
take reach.
Yes. And the normal thing once you take the capacity,
you dispense. You share
but you
still
still get enough
space
to the do
to refine the output. Yes.
But no, what they go do when the place don't full now? The refinery, the one become come the refine now, they go push them. They give all those private
depots.
Yes. Tomorrow walk on tell me say the private depot and they go the importer. Now they do anything. So the only sole importer of fuel, as far as I know, is the NNPC. And the service of the private depot. So it's a matter of you now say like somebody will be say you go be major marketer.
Yes.
You go major marketer, you get your own filling station. You go say and say yes, this major marketer. You go get fuel. When you be say you go the get, you go the seller for in private filling station.
Yes.
You major when be say very start for you major
where you suppose fit sell the normal government price. You no go put am there.
Because if you look at the corruption when be say dey for the system of the NNPC, e don too big.
Okay, see my brother.
Too big.
Now let this country, now people go dey suffer.
Wait, because before I forget, you remember the time when we say yes, Baru get issue with Ebe Kachiku. Before nothing that happen, Ebe Kachiku go see President Elo. He come back. He come back. When he come back, you ask a question. Say no, the two NBC the talk. That was the end. The next thing was for papers. After the next Federal Executive Council meeting, we say yes, the two they don't reconcile. They can't show us picture whether they hold themselves, they embrace themselves, they shake hands, and
to the detriment of Nigerians.
$26 billion contract.
Yes.
Then which kind of reconciliation we talk now?
You award them without recourse, without looking.
Recourse of due process.
You understand?
So listen now. Then they don't reconcile. They reconcile me say what did the man do right,
or
no right,
exactly.
or what did happen, what is the outcome of the reconciliation?
Now Nigerians that they toy with. Now Nigerians that they toy with. Now the structure, like I talked before, then somebody will come out to say Nigerians are impatient. I don't want to hear that word from you again.
You see,
anytime, anywhere.
May God continue to help us. For one thing, what they know, those who know their Bible, we talk about mercy. Now we'll get loads. Because they carry on before that people go help her. Whether you like them or not, you go help and say, Bernard help me. Exactly. You know, when you don't put hand under, Bernard help me. Bernard don't say you don't they try. They go put hand, help you carry the load. The new one when we say they come now, when we say want to sweep for God, because I don't understand this country. Go bless when something they happen, they go bring on that issue to cover that something. All of us go forget.
Now every week, every week.
All of us go forget that
story must day for this country.
All of us go forget that one. We go enter on that one. The one we say we talk about now. Now be yesterday. Now say they don't rescue one Chibok girl. One. They don't rescue one Chibok girl. You understand? Nobody tell us anything again about constitutional review. Nobody tell us anything again about money when we say they want to give say they want to bring $1 billion US. So they say they want to bring from SS crude oil.
SS crude oil.
Exactly. Because the House National Assembly Defense say they need to contest them before you know what they happen.
They want to spend that money. Wait till they want to spend that money.
Everybody don't tell us now. So by implication now, with the look say they say between a certain period of time, so they go fight the Boko Haram, the thing will be decimated forever. Now I can't imagine about 360 billion naira. Now they talk about so that means between 1 year, they want 1 billion every day. So they fight the Boko Haram and they go and the rest. And if you look at now, just like they talk now, nobody know where the killings they when they come again. They don't come up for the Boko Haram. They don't come up for Sambisa Forest. Killings they happen everywhere now. We enter New Year. I said because people know because they bring the matter.
Exactly, yeah.
We enter New Year now. People they close from church when they go do crossover service.
Yes.
If they work out, they come their house. People attack them. You kill all of them like that. 17 just first die.
Massacre.
You decide 17 just first die at that point in time. When 17 die, that point in time, others get injuries. Maybe those people now be say get injury, bad injury, maybe they don't dey die now. They never can tell us because we know they get statistics for this country.
No.
Now only when we say we know say yes, say one person don't first die. Out of 10 people, when we say they shoot one die, the remaining 6 people they don't carry the hospital. No, the remaining 9 people don't carry the hospital. Not be all of them they survive the thing. Nobody can tell us what happened because the life of the average Nigerian it no matter to people when we say the authority. You understand? That be what we say they happen so. Now that one pass. It happened for South Kaduna. Where we see how many people they killed, about 30 people or thereabout. They killed them there, even traditional ruler and everything. A wife will not see them. You understand? For that place, they killed all of them for that place. I think that is just enough. The man went BC yesterday, the Benue State governor, Samuel Otom, he come and come to say yesterday, over 50 people. Now BC they kill. When we say a day for one thief community. Till now. People when they kill those people, and when they talk and they put accusing finger at herdsmen. Till now, they have never seen one herdsman to say when they arrest. Say yes, now get hand for this matter. The other day, the Samuel Otom, if they beg federal government, say, I beg, this is not the pass me. Wanna help me? Wanna let me make some kind of law? When we say I continue this till now, nobody listen to him. Nobody listen to him. See, if we continue like this, it not get where we say we will go when we say things work out.
It is very, very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate. Say country where they pride itself as the giant of Africa. You see, so many things there now where we don't take be giant. For corruption, Nigeria na giant. Insecurity, Nigeria na giant. Meanwhile, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis, monthly basis, then they all executive council meeting, security council meeting for this country. Wetin dem dey talk, wetin be their agendas, human being no dey know. See the thing they pay me when you go begin to talk say esme. You never see Igbo man dey pack cow up and down.
Anyway, make we.
You never see Yoruba man dey pack cow up and down.
We will come
na
to
one person, na one tribe of people.
Okay.
Na dem. So make we dey put their name. They put for the back because once you see them, you go feel identify them.
Okay, we'll take a little break. When we come back, we'll continue for where BC will stop because the matter there plenty. We want to let us know and say, mention then when BC will discover they expect some people when BC will come talk to us about 2018. It is the one BC will expect. We'll talk all of them one after the other. We'll take a small break. When we come back, continue for where BC will stop. Don't go anywhere.